All right, so we're trying to, X is the first 50 positive evens, Y is the sum of the first 50 positive odds. We're trying to find that difference. So let's just try some numbers. What is the first even minus the first odd? Well, the first even number is 2 minus the first odd was 1, and you get 1. All right, what's the sum of the first two evens? The first two evens would be 2 plus 4 minus sum of first two odds, 1 plus 3. So that's 6 minus 4, which equals 2. Are you starting to see something? First three evens. 2 plus 4 plus 6 minus 1, 3, 5. So that's going to be 12 minus 9. You see how it's 2, sum of the first 2. Here you're doing 3, and the difference was 3. So the answer is going to be 50. All right? Because you got 50, well, because we're doing with 50 evens and odds. Now, something else that's good to know is there's a formula of the sum of the first, however many first evens, will always be n times n plus 1. And the sum of the odds will be n squared. So if you're trying to figure out x minus y, which is even minus odd, even is 50 times 51 minus odd 50 squared. And you've got two terms. And you see how there's a 50 in both of them? So factor that 50 out. If you factor a 50 out of the first term, you're left with a 51 minus, and if you take one of these 50s out, you're left with a 50. So that difference is 1, you still got 50. So I think this is easy to memorize, but either way works.